Well, hello, my brother or sister CNCer. I am Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and I want to say happy holidays to you. So, you see, it's quite lit up where I'm at right now. This is my town, and the holiday season has officially started in this cute little town of Madison, Indiana. Now, I want to point something out to you real quick. Number one, today is my birthday, 60th birthday, November 26th is when this was shot. So I just want to point out that right there is where I live. And look at the view that I get to have for the rest of the year. They have lit up the fountain over here, and the video just does not do justice for what we're looking at. But isn't this great? This little historic town of Madison, Indiana is completely lit up, Christmas time, and there's festivities already going on there at the park. You can't see all the people there because of all the lights, but this is the celebration time. Happy birthday to me. I hope you have an amazing, awesome holiday. I've been a little quiet on videos as I've been taking care of some other stuff, but they are coming. So just keep on CNCing, stay safe this holiday season, and I will talk to you soon.